Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex 18-foot by 48-inch easy-set pool with 7-inch chlorine dispenser. Would you look at that? It's time to take a swim and make a splash in this Intex 18 by 4-foot inflatable easy-set swimming pool. You will also be able to keep your chlorine level up with the large-capacity Hydro Tool swimming pool floating dispenser. Get everything you need in one package. This set is constructed of puncture-resistant 3-ply material and includes a 1,500 GPH filter pump, ladder, ground cloth, and debris cover. Product benefits. Easy setup design is ready for water in as little as 30 minutes. No tools needed. Includes 110 to 120 V Krystal Clear filter pump with a pump flow rate of 1,500 gal per hour. Filtration pump water filter cartridge, Intex Type A or C cartridge. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.